That is like Indonesian mochi. Have a bite, guys.
Oh my god, it's so good. Oh, is it?
Pretty good.
It's so good.
Halo teman-teman, apa kabar? Nah teman-teman, jadi kan kalian udah sering tuh ngeliatin makanan-makanan yang salty-salty yang aku masak. Nah kali ini aku juga bakal masak makanan yang sweet buat teman-teman aku nyobain. Apa ya? Yang pasti tradisional. Apakah itu? Oke deh, langsung aja aku kasih aja. Aku bakal bikin klepon.
Oh yeah.
Klepon. Nah, kleponnya ini sendiri teman-teman, aku mau bikin 2 jenis. Jadi yang tradisional itu yang pakai isi gula merah dan juga yang isi coklat. Nah, kita lihat teman-teman aku lebih suka yang mana. Anyways, terima kasih banget buat teman-teman semua yang selalu setia nonton video-videonya Binai. Aku nggak bisa banget ngungkapin gimana bersyukurnya aku punya kalian semua yang selalu suka nonton dan terhibur juga gitu kalau nonton video kita. Alright, let's cook guys kalau gitu. Keep watching! Teman-teman, sorry banget, ternyata aku lupa nunjukin apa aja bahan-bahannya untuk bikin klepon. Nah, itu super simple banget teman-teman. Kita cuma butuh 250 gram tepung ketan, air secukupnya, vanila, sedikit garam, pasta pandan, kelapa parut, dan gula aren. Nah, langkah-langkahnya teman-teman, pertama itu kukus kelapa dan dicampur dengan garam dan vanili. Terus masak gula merah dengan air. Nah, untuk adonannya, campurkan tepung ketan, sedikit garam, air, dan pasta pandan. Nah, untuk airnya sendiri itu secukupnya teman-teman, dalam artian nggak terlalu sedikit, nggak terlalu banyak. Jadi nggak terlalu keras banget dan juga nggak terlalu lembek. Nah, selanjutnya dibentuk bulat-bulat isi dengan gula merah atau coklat. Setelah itu, teman-teman masukin dalam air mendidih. Kalau misalnya sudah berenang ke atas, tandanya sudah matang, baru deh teman-teman angkat dan guling-gulingkan di kelapa. Udah deh, siap untuk disajikan. Untuk penyajiannya teman-teman, aku tambahkan 1 scoop es krim vanila dan juga toppingnya pakai sirup coklat. Jadi biar semakin maknyus. Yang warna ungu itu isi coklat dan yang warna hijau itu yang tradisional. Siap deh untuk dimakan. Oh, I got it now, Barney, the color. Yay! Green and
Barney
I get it. Like,
dinosaur.
The color, okay.
Like I was like, alright. This thing.
Oh yeah, I used to watch that.
Yeah, right? The color is really burning. That's true.
You love me. We are happy family.
Hey guys!
What's up?
What's up? So, back again with us, Alex, Nick, me, Basti, Contessa, Tiago, and Jennifer. So, now we have something sweet on in front of you guys. So, what we're gonna eat today, it's a typical, like it's super traditional Indonesian sweet snacks. Dessert, but that not really dessert. You can eat anytime you want. Like it's more like snack, but I put it as a dessert, so I pimp it, put ice cream on it, and a little bit sundae chocolate or whatever.
It's with coconut? Did Tiago also get coconut?
No,
Yes,
we get
no.
something special.
Okay, so how is it called?
So it what is it called? Klepon. Klepon.
Klepon.
Klepon. Is that klepto? But
Klepon.
klepon.
Kupan.
Klepon.
Kupan.
Klepon.
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 It is for like you only eat when it's cold, but it's never cold, so you never eat. It's like a mochi.
Actually,
Yeah,
that's
that's
what
what
it's
I
really.
mentioned.
It's like Indonesian
Why
mochi,
you
right?
copy
If you look
my
at like that, it's like Indonesian mochi. Have a bite, guys.
Oh my
Really
god,
good.
it's so good. Oh, is it?
Pretty good.
It's so good. Oh my god, it's like chocolate with a mochi. It's like a croissant chocolate mochi. Dude, this is the most like good food ever.
I hope you like it, guys. Well, Tiago get one without the coconut meat because he hates coconut meat.
I'm allergic.
But the one with coconut meat is also
It's
like
even
delicious.
better with the coconut.
I'm okay. It's not the same as saying like to a vegetarian. It's so good, this is okay. They get like, I don't care, I don't like it. It's okay. Okay. I'm gonna be honest, I was actually really full,
But now you can eat.
but this I can eat all of it. Wow. That's for sure. Oh my god.
I have more. Do you want more?
What did you use to color? I just go with the food color.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just like
Oh,
a
nice.
little bit to get the color.
Is it like
Oh, there you go.
glutinous rice flour? Glutinous rice flour?
Yes, it is. It is. That's why I make it that's really chewy,
yeah.
right?
It's very good.
And the ice
You want my ice cream?
There we go.
Well, I guess I cannot say if I want more.
Do you want more Tiago?
It's nothing.
You want more?
Because your sister says he doesn't like it. Otherwise, you get 5.
Here, look, I'll move the coconut off it.
That's why I love you so much. You see why I'm doing it? I had like 10 of those. Now we're sharing. Because I know you like sugary stuff. On your review, we're gonna repeat that you like sugar stuff.
I am now.
Oh my god, is that I want one spoon on me.
Yeah, that's what's sweet. I'll prove it to you.
Oh no, I'm okay. Because if it's someone here, I just want one spoon. This is actually really good. This thing I actually like eat it like
Really good.
non-stop, yeah. Especially because there's like a chocolate, like you cannot expect it.
Yeah, you can put everything in the filling, but this time I put like brown sugar one, the green one, and that what you guys.
So this is what Barney tastes like.
It's Barney.
You want another one? Too?
No, I'm full.
That's really good.
No, I'm okay.
Yeah, look, I moved some coconut off for you.
No, I hope you eat this one because you touch it, but that's okay.
Touch it.
Your wish is my command.
Jennifer is so serious eating her ice cream.
So good.
Just go for it.
I'll take another one of those ones. Thank you.
Did you like it?
Welcome.
What did you feel about it? What is your opinion on it?
Yeah, I like sweet.
We'll find out later. We'll find out later.
I like sweets.
Because I'm
You're
sweet.
so good.
Because I'm sweet.
Because I have a sweet tooth. Sweet tooth. But I have like some problems sometimes because when I eat too much,
I gain.
I get weight. And then I box every day. And that's why I slept like more than 12 hours yesterday.
Oh,
Because
you
of the
boxed
sugar
the day
crash.
before?
No. That's worse.
So yes.
It's like,
It's a good reason. It's a good excuse.
like you know, you like to me that like you're allergic to prawns and shrimp and peanuts. It's the same thing.
Oh, you are not. You just don't like them.
I'm allergic.
What's gonna happen if you eat it?
Yeah, what's happening when you eat some? What happens?
I die.
Allergic. Okay.
Okay, so let's go. Jennifer, what about what are your
It went
thoughts?
me already, so now it's Alex.
Okay, now start,
Okay,
Alex.
Alex, what do you feel about
Jenny has
it?
time to think about a good answer.
Yeah.
Just say like, yeah, like everyone else, basically.
Okay, let's start with Nick.
Okay, now it's confusing. Let's start here and then.
They have the power of editing, so it can maybe Alex first or Jelly first.
Exactly.
Or Nick first.
I'm not the first one. Let's see
It's
how
gonna
we
be
go.
cut out anyway.
So, I loved it. I had 2 portions. The consistency was like mochi, but it wasn't kind of like mochi. It was different mochi. Indonesian mochi.
Indonesian mochi.
Take a shot every time that he says mochi.
Like a counter. Combined with the ice cream, of course I love coconut as well. It was delicious, scrumptious. Get in my tummy. Thumbs up.
I love the coconut that I had on it because I loved it. Right, Tiago?
Coconut.
And Tiago loved it too. Right?
You used to love it.
I ate all of it, as you guys can see. It was so good. I destroyed all the coconut in here.
You picked it up one by one.
And I think the taste of this brown sugar, made it even more delicious. So that was the difference. Always
Yeah. So which one you like more? Because it's 2 different flavors, if you can notice. One is with the brown sugar and the other one is with chocolate.
I like better the one.
I know the difference.
Oh, no wonder I bit into something hard.
Something hard?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was.
Just cut it, it's fine. Just cut it, it's fine.
Oh, that was the stone I put in.
Oh.
No, it's that might be the brown sugar.
I liked it. It kind of felt like mochi in my mouth, and it kind of tastes like red bean, the chocolate one. But it turns out to be chocolate. Yeah,
Good
how was it?
observation.
Yeah, that was the chocolate.
Hi, how's it going? So, about the dish, as like everyone said it looked like mochi. I actually thought it was mochi. And I was hoping someone here doesn't say something like, oh yeah, there's coconut inside. Because I would be like, well, eating the ice cream again. But no, it wasn't, so it was good. There was the pink one, had the chocolate inside, right? And the other one had the brown sugar.
Exactly.
See?
Which one you like better?
The pink one.
The pink one because it's chocolate and chocolate.
Because I actually like someone here, when I bought it, I was like, ooh, there's something crunchy in here. It's a chocolate.
Yeah.
And now I feel really full, which is not a good feeling, but it was a good feeling anyways. So the ice cream with that thing was good, was really refreshing. 10 out of 10.
It was really good. Like everyone said, it was like mochi. I liked the pink one the best because I like chocolate. Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah, so I think I like that it was covered in coconut. That is actually my favorite. It goes very well together with the chocolate and ice cream. And I like the green one best because I like the brown sugar.
1 to 10. 10 is the best. What kind of points you give, guys?
11.
1 to 10.
How much?
9.
I'd
Jen.
say 9 too.
Yay.
9.
You?
10
Oh.
because it was so good.
Because my wife cooked it.
Yeah,
That's a fun.
otherwise we would get angry. No, 10. It was really good.
9.9999.
No.
What? Why not 10, Tiago?
It's Canadian.
Why not 11?
Because it had coconut.
Oh, because you
You
worked
didn't
like
have
a
any
You didn't have
coconut.
any coconut.
But the normal dish is with coconut. If it wasn't like no coconut, it would be perfect. I will have like all this by myself now.
Alright, thank you so much guys for
Thank you,
watching.
everyone.
See you
Leave a
next
like,
time.
Jangan lupa subscribe, share, and comment.
And comment down
Something
below
like that.
and bye.
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 Bye-bye.